Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the training. So you will receive a message similar to what we have on the screen, and the last part of the message would have a link to the YouTube channel where the trainings will be found. So you click on that link and to take you to the YouTube channel. Once it takes you to the YouTube channel, you go to videos, you click on videos, and you scroll down to the very beginning of the videos. So the first video there is not necessary, you don't need to watch that. So the first video you'll be watching is the introductory class. So when you watch the introductory class, you have to watch it immediately. Then the next morning you are going to start watching the next video. Then you watch the next video after that in the evening. So you'll be watching creating optimized Facebook accounts. You watch that in the morning, and then in the evening you watch Facebook content strategy for business owners. You continue in that manner. So you watch the next one in the morning, then you watch the next one in the evening. So all of these videos are implementable, so we expect you to actually implement what we have done in the videos, and we are also going to be giving you assignments to do in those videos. So we expect you to do those assignments. Now we expect you to face challenges, because that's the way it is. You've not done them before. So when you face those challenges, if you're a premium member, you can just post on the premium WhatsApp group, and we have a team dedicated to respond to your problems. And if you are not a premium member, we have you covered too. You can always comment in the video that you've watched and you just mention your problem. Inshallah, we are going to be responding to your comments also. So if you watch any of the videos, because there are some of us that might not have laptops, we might just have our phone. We've actually made this training to fit in for those who have laptops and those who have phones. So if you now end up watching any of the videos and you are not able to implement what you've learned with your phone, we have a playlist showing how to do those things on your phone. All you just need to do is click on playlist, then you click on phone hacks. So under this phone hacks, that's where we have all the videos showing how to do those things on your phone. So in case maybe you now face any challenge regarding implementing it on your phone, just go to phone hacks, and inshallah you will find a video explaining how to get it done with your phone. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes this a source of good for us in this life and the next. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.